All right. My apologies for interrupting you, Pradeep. Let's get more breaking updates coming in. Ashwini Vaishnav has now ordered a probe. A high-level inquiry has now been ordered into the same. He has also said that he is deeply saddened by the incident. The Railways Ministry ordering a probe to find out what happened and what led to this stampede. Tetri is also live with us. Tetri, a high-level inquiry has been ordered to find out what led to this chaos, because questions continue to be raised on the mismanagement of the situation. If there was overselling of the tickets, if there was a delay in the trains, then why were the authorities not prepared?
Well, absolutely. That is why a high-level inquiry has been ordered in this entire matter. And in fact, I am reporting from the LNJP hospital where the injured have been brought. And not just that, but what we are getting to know is that as of now, the number of death toll is 18. And in fact, here we are reporting from LNJP hospital where the ambulances are coming in. Not just that, but also remember that the security has also been increased over here. And also, in fact, what we are getting to know, as you have rightly mentioned, that Ashwini Vaishnav, the Union Railway Minister, has already, in fact, mentioned on his social media handle that a high-level inquiry has been, in fact, ordered in this entire matter. And now we'll have to see that what transpires in this entire inquiry is that, how this entire incident took place, what was the reason behind it. And you can see in the visuals that what kind of security is deployed over here. Back-to-back ambulances are being, in fact, coming over here at the place where we are reporting from now. And in fact, we are reporting from LNJP hospital. In fact, back-to-back tweets are coming in, and in fact, Ashwini Vaishnav had already tweeted that Delhi Police and RPF had reached around 12 midnight, and in fact, injured were taken to the hospital, and special trains were being run to evacuate. Sudden rush at the New Delhi railway station, and in fact, we also saw the visuals from the New Delhi railway station where the several individuals were injured, and then the injured were brought over here at the LNJP railway station. Well, we'll have to see that how many are injured and how many, what is the actually death toll who have been, in fact, brought over here, and what is the condition of them here at LNJP hospital.
Okay, all right.